It. Uh, Today I am making this video for that pop-up section. I want to show you how you can add a specific pop-up, how you can change text or anything on your pop-up page. So that's why I am just opening a pop-up page here. Uh, Here it's loading. Our pop-up page, where is our pop-up page? Okay, here have our pop-up page, right? Distributor, I am showing on distributor. For as an example, I want to show you how we can change it. For this increase growth, if we click here just opening this text and this one. So let's go on enable visual builder. It's opening. Remember that for a specific page we have to add a specific section for each pop-up. Okay, did you got me? I am telling again, for a specific pop-up we have to add text and images on a specific section on that page, not on any other page. Okay, got it? Okay, it's loading. We have to wait. Okay, here I have our page, and you can see on here have a section, and that section is not looks like our other sections, right? It's a little bit different, and that section is here. This is the section. For now I have linked this text here. You can see on this section gear button, you can check on this pop-up. Here we have a pop-up ID. I named it test. Okay, let's change this name for now on increase growth. So I'm going to name it on only IG. Okay, IG is increase growth. So save it, and here IG change, and on this button increase growth we have to change this link, and this link should be IG. Okay, now it will be work. And I am changing this content on increase growth to remember this. Okay, for now I just change this title. Now let's copy this section. Just duplicate this section from here. Okay, I just duplicated it, and now I want to set it with this button names reduce cost. So reduce cost is good for now. I just copy it, and I want to change its text, our second section text. I change it on increase cost. Now I have to add a pop-up ID for this section for reduce cost. So we can add any name here. For now I am just adding a simple name, RC. Okay, RC for reduce cost. And now we have to change this button link. I just change this button link on RC. Okay, and we want to add another one. So let's duplicate this, and I make it for this button increase capacity. So increase capacity, I change this new section name to increase capacity, and I have to add a pop-up ID for this, and I called it IC. IC is for increased capacity. Okay, so save it and let's change its link. Let's change the link for this button, and this button link should be IC. Okay, now let's save the page and it should be now work differently. Let's reload the page. I saved and now reload the page. Here hopefully it will be work fine, and we have to do it for different pages separately. Okay, okay, now here have our button, and let's try to check it. It's still not loaded fully. I think I have boosted up my laptop capacity, so that's why it might be having problem. Yes, it's loading again. Let's give her some time. Okay, now I just click here. You can see increase growth, and if I click reduce cost, here you can see reduce cost, and if I click increase capacity, here have increase capacity. For other buttons, for these three buttons, we have to make each section separately with separate pop-up ID on this page. I am repeating again, we have to make each pop-up section on specific pages. If you are going to try with this pop-up section to make on any other page, then it should be not work. Okay, if you have any question, you can ask me anytime. I would be like to help you always. Thank you.